Hello children, how are you all? Hope all you are fine. And for class 5 children, today I am going to tell worksheet 2 from the lesson India Wins Freedom. Last lesson and this is the last worksheet. Okay, so listen carefully and take your worksheet, write along with me. First one, number the events as they occurred. Also write the years in which they occurred. Okay, first here they have given some words, they are not in order, so first we need to write them in order and in which year, write the years in which they occurred. Okay, so when this situation was occurred, in which year these situations were occurred, we need to write that year beside to that. Okay, first one here, first we'll write in order. Jallianwala Bagh. Next, the non-cooperation movement, India attains freedom, partition of Bengal. The civil disobedience movement, Gandhiji returns to India from South Africa. Next, the Quit India movement, arrival of the Simon Commission. Okay, first we will write in order. First, partition of Bengal. Okay, so first thing was first situation was partition of Bengal. Okay, so before to the partition of Bengal, write one. Okay, so in which year? In 1905 partition of Bengal was occurred. Okay, next, second one, Gandhiji returns to India from South Africa. Okay, Gandhiji returns to India from South Africa. This is the second thing occurred. Okay, so in the year 1915 Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa. Okay, next, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Okay, so this is the third situation. In the Indians' freedom. This is the third situation occurred. Okay, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Before to that, write 3, number 3, and in 1919, in the year 1919, this situation was occurred. Okay, next, the non-cooperation movement. This non-cooperation movement is the fourth situation occurred. Okay, so right before to that, write 4, and in the year 1920 this situation was occurred. Okay, next, fifth one, arrival of the Simon Commission. Arrival of the Simon Commission in the year 1928. This arrival of the Simon Commission was occurred. Okay, next, the civil disobedience movement. Right before the civil disobedience movement, write 6. Okay, in the year 1930. In the year 1930 this situation was occurred. Next, seventh one, the Quit India movement. The Quit India movement, 1942. In the year 1942 the Quit India movement was occurred, and this is the 7. Okay, so seventh situation this is. Okay, right before to that, write 7. Next, eighth one, India attains freedom. In 1947 finally we got freedom. Okay, so write India attains freedom. Before to that, write 8, and beside to that, write 1947. Okay, so in order once again I will read, listen carefully. First, partition of Bengal in the year 1905. Next, Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa in 1915. Okay, next, Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919. Next, the non-cooperation movement in 1920 it was occurred. Next, arrival of Simon Commission in 1928. Okay, next, the civil disobedience movement in the year 1930. This thing was occurred. Okay, next, the Quit India movement in 1942. This thing was occurred. The Quit India movement. Okay, next, India attains freedom in 1947. At last we got in freedom. Okay, next, answer these questions. So here they have given some questions, we need to answer to that. Okay, why did Indian National Congress launch its Swadeshi and Boycott movement? Okay, so you can also write India to prevent the partition of Bengal, to prevent, PREVENT, prevent the partition, PARTITION, partition of Bengal, BENGL, Bengal. The Indian National Congress launched the Swadeshi and boycott movement to prevent the partition of Bengal. The Indian National Congress launched the Swadeshi and boycott movement. So from here to here you can write. Continue to this. Okay. Next. Write the names of any 5 leaders who took part in non-cooperation movement. Okay, so Jawaharlal Nehru, JAWAHARLAL, Jawaharlal Nehru, NEHRU, Nehru. Okay, next Sarojini Naidu, SAROGINI, Sarojini Naidu, NEIDU, Naidu. Okay. Next Sarojini Naidu. Next Maulana Azad, MAULANA, Maulana Azad. Next Rajendra Prasad, RAJENDRA, Rajendra, PRASAD, Rajendra Prasad. Next Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, SARDAR, Sardar Vallabhbhai, VALLABHAI, Vallabhbhai Patel, PATEL, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, so these are the 5 leaders who took part in non-cooperation movement. Okay, next, what is the importance of Dandi March in our freedom movement? The civil disobedience movement began with Dandi. The civil, CIVIL, civil disobedience, 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 the civil disobedience movement, MOVEMENT movement began with Dandi March. Okay, Indians were not allowed to make salt. So Gandhiji from Sabarmati Ashramam to in the coast. Okay, Gandhiji walked along the coast and made salt. Okay, so along with his team, along with his followers, Gandhiji walked through the coastal side of that place, and he made salt. By doing this, he broke the salt law. Okay, by doing this, Gandhiji broke the salt law. Okay, next, write the names of any 3 revolutionary leaders. Okay, so Ajit Singh, AJIT, Ajit Singh, SINGH, Ajit Singh, Aurobindo Ghosh, AUROBINDO, Aurobindo Ghosh, 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 Aurobindo Ghosh. Next, Bhagat Singh, BHAGAT, Bhagat, SINGH, Bhagat Singh. Okay, next, what was Gandhiji's method of protest known as? Gandhiji's method of fighting was known as Satyagraha. Gandhiji's method of protest, it is in question only, children. Gandhiji's method of fighting was known as Satyagraha, SATYAGRAHA, Satyagraha. Method of protest is Satyagraha. Gandhiji's method of protest is Satyagraha. Okay, next, when did the Congress demand Purna Swaraj from the British government? In December 1929, the Congress demand Purna Swaraj. Okay, so in the year 1929, in December 1929, the Congress demand Purna Swaraj from the British government. Okay, next, who gave us the slogan of Jai Hind? Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose given us the slogan Jai Hind. SUBHA, Subhash Chandra Bose, CHANDRA, Chandra BOSE, Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, so this is all about today's class, children. Hope all you have understand. So if you are slow to write, just pause the video or take a screenshot and complete this worksheet and learn them. So tomorrow in the Zoom class I am going to see you. Without fail, all you have to attend the class. Okay, see you in the next class, children. Take care. Bye.